right? This is the upper. Though I have not yet last it. So after this one, it goes for the lasting. So you can see, though I'm not using this kind of last. So this one is a broad last. So this one will serve as the upper. All right. So while doing your shoemaking, these are the little steps you have to understand. Now let's start something fresh for today because we don't have hammer. But let me just take on a quick. No, I made it. Where's our marker? All right, simple steps to making an elastic sandals. So let me just quickly take you on this quick design. Simple step on making elastic sandals. All right. So if you want to make elastic sandals, it's very cheap and very easy to do. All right. All you need is just your stencil. That is the size. So do you people know understand how to take measurements now? Are you sure? Can somebody just enlighten me a little bit? How to take your sizes? Oh yeah.
So if you want to take your sizes, like
So first of all, introduce yourself, your name, and yeah.
hello everybody, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Promise Emmanuel.
All right.
So if you want to take your sizes, first of all you have to get if you don't have the size of the client, you have to take the measurements of the client's foot. That's number one. Number two, you have to take the width of the upper leg.
All right.
After taking the width of the upper leg, and you want to know the exact size of the shoe, you use a tape, you use your centimeters,
Yeah.
not your inches. You start from 14 centimeters. So from 14 centimeters, you get the.
Yeah. Can somebody give her a round of applause? All right. For today's class, we'll be doing a sandals, an elastic sandal. Let me quickly sketch it. Okay. Let me just quickly sketch it. I'm making for today an elastic sandals. Making an elastic sandals. All right. So if you want to do your elastic sandal, all you need is your marco, your upper marco, and the other. Where's the other marco also? This one will serve as the base. This one will serve as the base. All right. White zone will serve as the upper. All right. So they are very cheap in the market. They are not too expensive. Then what you do is to take the measurements. Let's take somebody's measurement and start with that. Can I use somebody's leg? Huh? Marco. We have different type of marco in the market, different quantity and different qualities in the market. Huh? Marco, M-A-C-O. Yeah. Okay, let me take your size. M-A-C-O. M-A-C-O. Marco. Yeah. So let somebody take the size. Hello? Can somebody draw a size? Let's see whether you are learning quickly. No, it's okay. Somebody can help us to take the size. Oh, yeah. Come quick. No time. Eh? Ah, sorry. Don't worry. You will catch up. Don't worry. You will catch up. Cut it. Please help me to fold this one. Oh yeah, put your leg. Just near the edge so you don't waste it. All right. No. Don't slant your pen. All right. Are we all seeing it? Please, you can come around and see what we are doing, So he's taking the size now. All right. So can somebody help us to cut it out? Yeah. Oh, yeah, take. Cut it out. So after cutting, we now take the measurement to see the length of the feet we are making. Where is your tape? Are you with your tape? Yes, all right.
Thank you. Yes, I'm able to get.
All right. Can somebody quickly demonstrate to us how to take the length of the feet? Oh yeah, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Can all come
You're
out
going
and
to
see?
look at the longest part of the toe. So since
Okay.
this is the longest part of the toe, that is where you're going to position your tape from. And you're going to use centimeter. It can either be the first toe or the second
No,
toe.
no. It's the first two, most especially.
Okay.
It's the highest point that you must measure.
So you're going to start from 14 centimeters
All right. Oh yeah, yeah.
to the base. So this 14 size is 42. Is that your size?
No, 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 no.
Top of the 14.
No, it's from the base of the 14. Sorry.
That's where I started.
Wait. Oh, yeah, start from there.
It's 42.
Is it 42?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is it's
it's
42.
This 42. So for this one, we have to add a little bit to it. So let's do the 42 and a half.
42 as well.
Probably put pen.
I brought some stencils here. Hello?
Was the base starting from? You went
From 14. That's the standard measurement. That is the standard measurement.
yeah, you said it. This should be straight. Should be straight.
Let me see.
Why bending it now? Upwards.
All right, see. Hello. This is our size now. But for doing this sandal, see, I will have to use this size. This is size 43. Because its leg cannot be the same thing with the sole. Yeah. So it has to extend a little bit outside the sole, just like this. So we are going to use this, of course. So we are going to use this particular size, this stencil. So let's cut it out. Let's cut. Give me the cardboard again. So let's cut out the size immediately from the cardboard. Can somebody give me a pen there? Please, I want you guys to pay attention because as I'm doing this, you are going to do your own too. So it's very important. Who is that? So let me quickly cut it out. After today, you guys can make your sandals yourself so easily. It does not cost a thing. So to make your simple elastic sandal, you need your marco, you need your gum, and you need the elastic. Give me. So to start, let me. To start, you will need your marco sole. Marco sole 1. Then number 2, you will need elastic bands. Elastic bands. Are you seeing it? Then thirdly, you will need your gum. You will need your gum. Then fourthly, you will have to get your measuring tape. Measuring tape. Then also